Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think she wanted you on Steve.
No, we're not opening it right now.
Oh, why did you find it out?
No.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow. We're going to get ready for bed. You have to get a shower. Sissy has to get a shower.
You need a shower.
Can you hook this on for me?
Yeah, 'cause you smell so bad.
Oh.
You scared.
You ready?
Look at Tom. Yeah, I'm watching you.
Hey, not in her face.
I'm not. Yeah.
That would be fun.
Stop. Go no further with that conversation.
No. Not me.
Although.
Oh, Daddy.